So first up, we are making these delicious Snicker Bites. You're going to need almond butter, dates, and some dairy-free, sugar-free chocolate chips. So I'm starting by just taking my date and slicing it down the middle. These are pitted dates, and just by cutting them, we have a little bit more room to stuff them with the almond butter. Now I'm using almond butter because it is lower on the glycemic index than peanut butter, but also it's less inflammatory than peanut butter. So I'm putting that in the center of the date, and I'm going to drizzle on the chocolate afterwards. So just melt it either in the microwave or on a double boiler and drizzle it on the top. Now I have made full Snicker bars, the full chocolate bar, so I'm going to link that on the screen now if you haven't seen that video, because they are so delicious too. But these are the perfect little bite when you want a little something sweet. They're so delicious. They've got the almond butter, the dates, which have a natural caramel flavor, and then the little drizzle of chocolate. Next up, we're making mint cups, which is kind of like a spin on your thin mint. I'm using coconut butter, the same kind of chocolate chips, as well as some peppermint extract. So just melt your coconut butter, again, either on a double broiler or the microwave till it's nice and runny. And then I'm adding in just a little bit of peppermint extract. A little bit does go a long way, especially with mint, and stirring that into the coconut butter. Then I'm taking my silicone molds that I got at IKEA, but you can get on Amazon. They're really inexpensive, and I find they come in use a lot in the kitchen. And then I'm put about a teaspoon on the bottom of each, and this is what's going to create our bottom layer of our cups. Now I am layering the cups as opposed to making them like a stuffed cup, like an almond butter cup, but you can do whichever way you prefer. I just like the layers, but they taste honestly so good. They taste just like a Thin Mint. I kind of ate one right before filming this video, and it was so delicious. So take your coconut butter and put that on the layer on top, and then you're going to be taking your chocolate and putting one more layer or one more swirl. You can definitely just do 2 layers if you want, just 1 chocolate layer and 1 coconut butter layer, but I had a little bit of the chocolate left over, so I'm just putting a dollop over the top of that and kind of swirling it to make it look pretty. And then after that, you just have to put these into the freezer and wait for them to set. You do want to set them for a little bit longer than you did the dates, so these took about 25 minutes to fully harden, but once they harden, they're good to go. You can just pop them right out of the molds, which makes it super easy. I store them in the freezer, and then you just take one out whenever you want something a little minty, a little sweet. They're also perfect for the summertime because, again, it's mint and they are so delicious. And then we are making this quick peaches and cream dessert. So it is barbecue season for summertime, and this is something great and easy you can do with fruit. So just take your fruit and place it onto the barbecue. I just have a pan because I live in a condo, but I'm thinking if you have a barbecue, this would be delicious. I'm putting a spoonful of coconut yogurt, which is just a dairy-free yogurt, over the top, and sprinkling that with a little bit of walnuts. But you could do any kind of nut that you like, but the warm peach along with the creamy yogurt and then the little bit of nuts for crunch is so delicious, and you can definitely change up the fruit to whatever you like, whether it be nectarines, watermelon, or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and these quick, delicious treats. I'm going to leave my healthy dessert playlist on the screen, and I'll see you guys next time.